In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the LearnDash content is protected error that you might encounter on your website. This issue usually arises when there's a setting off regarding course access, and I'll walk you through the straightforward process to correct it. First, we're going to ensure that your course access settings are configured correctly. This is a common area where errors originate. So let's dive into the LearnDash dashboard on your WordPress site and head over to the Courses section. Here you'll find a list of all the courses you've set up. What you'll want to do is select the specific course you're having trouble with by clicking on the Edit Course option. Once you're in the course editor, pay close attention to the access mode settings. It's crucial to make sure that this setting aligns with how you intend your users to access the course. For instance, if you want the course to be available free of charge, you should select the Free option. On the other hand, if you're planning to sell the course, options like Buy Now or Recurring should be selected, depending on whether it's a one-time payment or subscription. Do note that if you intentionally want the course to be unavailable for sign-up, selecting Closed is appropriate. However, if you encountered the protected content error unexpectedly, ensure this is not selected unless intentional. Now, if you require payments for accessing your course, it's essential to validate that your payment gateways are set up and working correctly. This step can sometimes be overlooked, leading to access issues if the course is monetized. Dive into the settings area dedicated to payments to ensure that everything is configured to your liking and running smoothly. You can double-check your payment gateway integrations like PayPal or Stripe, depending on what you're using, to make certain transactions can proceed without a hitch. Look for any missed fields or errors that might have occurred during the setup process, as these could result in the protected content warning. Lastly, it's a good routine to double-check any additional settings or plugins that may influence course accessibility. Sometimes other plugins or customizations can interfere with LearnDash functionality, so it's worth considering recent changes or updates that might have affected your setup. By following these directions, you should be able to resolve the LearnDash content protection error effectively, ensuring your learners can access courses as intended. Remember, keeping your LearnDash setup straightforward and regularly monitored will help further prevent these kinds of issues. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials that keep your online education running smoothly. Until next time.